How to fix USB Type-C earphones not detected on Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. First, you need to go with your phone settings. In the settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps. And from manage apps, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. And then you need to go with show system services. Or you may have an option of show system apps. You need to just simply go and enable that. Now go with your search. And here you need to search for USB settings. USB settings will be shown on your Samsung Galaxy device. So just simply search for USB settings. Once you find it, you need to scroll down a bit, just simply tap on it and then just scroll down and then go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can restart your device and your USB settings or your Type-C earphones will now be detected on your Samsung Galaxy phone. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.